Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 360 or Persons Responsible. Article 360 discusses kung sino-sino ang liable sa mga crimes against honor or sa crime na libel. In cases na napapublish ito sa magazine or nakasulat ito sa libro. So, sino nga ba sila? First, person who publishes, exhibits, or causes the publication or exhibition of any defamation in writing or similar means. Second, author or editor of a book or pamphlet. Third, editor or business manager of a daily newspaper, magazine, or serial publication. And fourth, owner of the printing plant which publishes a libelous article with his consent, and all other persons who in any way participate in or have connection with its publication. So sila po yung liable ng libel in cases na napublish sa newspaper, magazine, or sa libro yung mga libelous remarks. So saan naman tayo magpa-file ng complaint for libel? Criminal and civil actions for damages in case of written defamation shall be filed simultaneously or separately with the regional trial court of the province or city where the libelous article is printed and first published, or where any of the offended parties actually resides at the time of the commission of the offense. So, kung ikaw yung victim, pwede ka mag-file sa regional trial court kung taga saan ka nung nangyari yung krimen or kung saan na-publish yung magazine, article, book, etc. So, kung yung newspaper ay na-publish sa Baguio at taga La Union ka nung na-publish iyon, pwede ka mag-file sa RTC either sa Baguio or sa La Union. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.